The Segway S-Pod looks like a lot of things. It looks like an egg, it looks like a xenomorph pod, it looks like an evil villain's chair, it looks like the wheelchairs from WALL-E. But actually, it was inspired by Jurassic World. Segway envisions the S-Pod as a transportation device for the last mile or for closed ecosystems like theme parks, a la Jurassic World, college campuses, or around an airport. This thing charges in just 2 hours and it'll get you 43 miles. The max speed is 24 miles an hour. That's pretty fast for a chair. I took the S-Pod for a spin at CES and it felt kind of like a dream. It was really floaty. The second you step into it, the whole machine balances. There are 2 wheels on the bottom and the whole pod is actually suspended between them, and it rocks back and forth, balancing your weight as you go. It's controlled with a joystick on the right side. It's just a simple knob that you move forward, backward, or you just don't touch it at all to stop. It spins 360 degrees in both directions too. I didn't get to push it to the max 24 miles an hour at CES. They had it capped at 7 miles an hour, and I didn't even touch that. But it was a smooth ride the whole way through. Getting used to the controls took just a minute, because the pod actually responds to your body movement while you're sitting in it. If you lean forward and don't touch the joystick, it'll move forward just a little bit, like a Segway. There are also tiny wheels on the front and back of the pod that make sure you don't tip all the way over. There's also a tablet slot on the left side. You can push a tablet right in and pop it out like an SD card. Yes, the S-Pod is a little ridiculous, but Segway designed it for cities of the future. This is for a time when cars aren't as important, but people still need to get around comfortably. The Segway S-Pod will be available for businesses later this year, and it'll come to consumers after that. There's no price point yet. We're here at CES all week, so stay tuned to Engadget.com for all the tech news.